I noticed there was new AI, so I'm back with another AI duel. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in a video, or want to join the EDO Pro tournament, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the brains. New AI, I was playing AI and I was like, what? There's new AI. I'm not going to check the deck. I'm going to increase this to 300 so I don't time out. Okay. And what I haven't dueled, there's 3 of them. I'm going to do ABC Dragon Buster. I haven't dueled that one. Add AI. Use Adamantipator. Simon Wang's Crush Card Cup. First place. I'm still trying to get the hang of it. Oh, Terraforming Union Hangar. Okay. What is going on here? Oh, jeez. Jeez. What is this? What is this guy? Banish it. What? Oh my god. I control no monsters. Or if your opponent controls more monsters, special summon. And he's just going to Dragon Buster discard to banish, but I can chain quick effect, tribute, target and destroy Infinity. Infinity is going to try to negate that. Quick effect, Dragon Buster. Whoa. Now he has a monster negate. He has like 3 monster negates. What the He's just negate this. Never mind. I have Unexpected Die. Easter Island. I should have just... Oh no, I wasn't able to use this if I special summon. Normal summon. Analyzer. Activate effect. It's going to negate that. Activate Researcher. Negate. Ease. And negate this again. Oh, look at that. I'm just gonna go for a Savage here. Savage, no equip. Savage, no equip. Savage, attack Infinity. Goes over Infinity. Main phase 2, can't do nothing. Turnendo. Okay. Jeez, no. Cerberus. Now at Avramax. That's... Ah. Oh, synchro summoned. Okay. See if I can. Equal. What? Oh my god. Jeez. Analyzer? Come on. Analyzer. Give me hope, Analyzer. Ah, N-Perm? Come on. I can't. Oh, I could attack. I can only attack Avramax. Jeez. Turn Endo. Alright, let's do some siding here. Let's do some siding. I'll go first. Dude! Unexpected die. Easter Island. Normal Angel Trumpeter. Link Shoken. Christian Hulky Fabrax effect. And he's going to N-Perm it. So... Turnendo. Here comes Nova. Infinity. Jeez. And he's gonna negate it. Okay. Okay. Whoa. Come on, give me a chance. Give me Dark Ruler no more. Okay. Nope, that's negated. That's negated. Dark Ruler no more. That was also negated. Analyzer. Oh, come on. Come on. That's a tuner, two tuners. Really don't have anything anymore. Do I have a link monster in there? No, I don't have a link monster. Normal summon? Oh, I think I normal summoned it for nothing. Jeez. Oh, look at this. 3000 attack. Oh, I should have revived this. And then discarded that. Ah. Monster Reborn. ABC Dragon Buster. I think I'll go for a Nightmare Cerberus with Analyzer and Dragon Buster. Battle. ABC Dragon Buster. Attack Cyber Dragon Infinity. Oh, look at that. Cerberus Union. Jeez. Nothing. Fernando. Come on. It's over. That's game. Yep. Yep. Add from grave. Add from deck. Discard special attack. Attack for game. IP Masquerena. Oh. Well, I lost. But sub if you liked it. Lucky if you subbed it. See you guys.